Welcome to Code Station.
Welcome to our video on operators in PHP.
So next we have our increment and decrement operators. These are called the unary operators as they work on a single operand, that is only on one value. These are used to increment or decrement values, that is increase by 1. Increment operator plus plus are used to increase by 1, and minus minus, that is hyphen, 2 hyphens, are decrement operators which are used to decrease the value by 1. So let us see with an example. So here plus plus then the $x value is variable is written, so that it means that it will first increment the value stored in that is increase by 1, and then print the increased value. Then similarly here $x is written first and then plus plus, so it will first print the value that it stores and then increment it. These all are used in loops that we will study in the further course to increment the loop. Similarly here decrement, that is 2 hyphens are written before $x, that means it will first decrement, reduce by 1 and then print, and lastly it will first print the $x value and then decrement it by 1. So let's take the result. So here first the value is incremented, the original value was 2, but then it is incremented first to 3 and then it prints it. For the second one, the original value is printed first and then it is incremented, because $x is written first and then the operator. And similarly for decrement, it decrements first then prints. So with this we conclude with operators in PHP. But as we know that operators are fundamentals of any programming language, similarly are for PHP. So more and more that you practice with operators, you will get an idea of how to include them in your own projects.